2342.
You want me to do it?
Oh wow. Wow, let's look at this. Oh, our bag's already in here. Oh, look at this, it's a double bedroom. Oh, double sink, I mean.
Oh, look, they use L'Occitane soap.
Let's have a
So
look.
fancy. I buy this brand.
Would you?
No, I do.
Oh.
My house.
Oh shit, look at this, there's the shower head on the roof. No shower over here. Oh, what the hell? There's another shower over here?
Oh my god, can you
There's
film
like
all this
3
range?
showers.
Can you please look at this range?
What is it?
Oh
Let's
my
have a look.
god, this is all L'Occitane stuff. This is my type of hotel.
Okay, well. Look at this, we got a toilet over here. Oh, wow. There's a little chill out area. Couches. There's our bed. Desk in the middle. We have a TV on the wall.
I need to charge my phone.
Oh, what's this? Whoa, this is real fruit.
Where?
On the table over here.
Wow, you don't even need to go get fruit now. Just apples here.
Yeah, let's go outside. Oh, what? The aircon turns off by itself.
Wow, a spa.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm definitely going to be using this tonight. Yeah, we got the spa. Another little area to chill out over here. Okay, I'm just going to walk over there. You know, open that door from there. Oh yeah. A little couch over here.
Hello.
Well, I don't know, is this a couch or a lie down thing?
It's just like a bed. You can't really see it.
Oh,
Look at these little,
back into the room.
little end tables.
And this is our bed.
Oh my god, this hotel is so far. Oh, then it turned back on.
Yeah, as soon as you close the door, the aircon turns back on. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's our little welcome drink.
Oh look, they've got jandals in here.
Okay.
Look.
Wicked shit. Cheers for watching my video of this room reveal. If you like the video, subscribe to me, like it, share it, whatever. And yeah, be installed for my next video. Oh, I'm out. Adios.